Hey guys, another really quick video for our vending machines and cool gadgets in Japan playlist. This is outside a bookstore. It's an Amazon locker. So if you're having a delivery from Amazon, instead of having it delivered to your house, you can have it delivered here. And then you just turn up here and put in the code that Amazon have given you. And that will allow you to open the locker and retrieve your goodies. It's not a bad system, is it? Very convenient outside the local bookstore with an ample car park next door. Perfect. Anyway, there it was. More videos coming soon.